Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a crucial component for anyone operating a DJI plant protection drone, specifically the T40 model. We're talking about a replacement arm, the left rear T40 arm, available in M, 3M, 2 configurations, and the specific size we're focusing on is the M2 version, often needed as a replacement part. When it comes to maintaining complex agricultural drones like the T40, having access to high-quality replacement parts is absolutely essential. This particular arm is described as being 100% brand new and constructed from high-quality material. For a drone arm, especially one on a large agricultural sprayer, durability isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. These drones operate in demanding environments, carrying heavy payloads, and the structural integrity of each arm is paramount for safe and effective flight. The description highlights that the material used is durable and practical for use, suggesting it's built to withstand the stresses and strains of regular operation in the field. Furthermore, the part is noted as being delicate and exquisite, which might sound unusual for a drone arm, but it speaks to the precision engineering required. It's designed to highly match the original equipment. This perfect match is critical. A replacement arm needs to fit seamlessly, maintaining the drone's balance, aerodynamics, and structural rigidity. Any deviation could affect flight performance, stability, and potentially lead to more significant issues. The fact that it's described as highly matching the equipment instills confidence that it will integrate properly into the existing drone frame. The description also emphasizes that the part is solid and durable, promising a long service life. Given the investment in a T40 drone, maximizing its operational time is key. Using replacement parts that are built to last means less downtime for repairs and more time spent on spraying crops. A long service life for a component like an arm is a direct contributor to the overall efficiency and cost-effectiveness of the drone operation. Perhaps one of the most appealing aspects mentioned is the ease of installation and reliability in use. For drone operators, minimizing maintenance time is crucial. If a part is easy to install, it means the drone could be back in the air quickly. The description suggests that replacing this left rear M2 arm is a straightforward process, which is a significant advantage. Coupled with the promise of reliable use, operators can have peace of mind knowing that once installed, the arm will perform as expected under demanding conditions. Reliability in flight is non-negotiable for a drone carrying potentially hazardous materials over fields. In summary, this left rear T40 arm, specifically the M2 size, appears to be a well-made, precise replacement part designed to meet the rigorous demands of DJI plant protection drones. It's described high quality, perfect match to the original equipment, durability, long service life, and ease of installation make it sound like an excellent option for operators needing to replace a damaged or worn arm to keep their T40 flying safely and efficiently.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.